Let me ask you something, and be honest with yourself. Do you have garlic sitting in your kitchen right now? Maybe on the counter? Maybe tucked in a drawer? Maybe you use it every single day because you've heard it keeps your heart strong, your blood pressure steady, and your immune system sharp. For decades, garlic has been praised as one of the most powerful healing foods on earth. But there's something most people never hear about, something important, something almost nobody talks about. Because while garlic can protect you, the way many people actually use it can quietly reduce its benefits or turn it into a problem you never saw coming. And here's the part that surprises most viewers. These aren't rare mistakes. They're everyday habits. Habits that feel harmless. Habits you've probably done for years without thinking twice. If you've ever wondered why garlic sometimes helps, sometimes irritates you, or just doesn't seem to do what people promise, this is exactly why today's video matters. Today, everything becomes clear. In this video, we're going to uncover the 10 garlic mistakes most people don't even realize they're making. Mistakes that quietly block garlic's healing potential and affect how your body responds to it. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to prepare, store, and use garlic so every clove supports your health the way nature intended. You'll learn how to unlock its true strength safely, consistently, and confidently. So take a breath, settle in, because before you reach for your next clove of garlic, there's something you need to hear. Mistake number 1, not washing garlic before peeling. Most people skip this step because it feels unnecessary. Garlic looks clean. It's wrapped in that dry paper skin. It feels protected. But as we get older, skipping this step becomes one of the easiest ways to expose the body to things the immune system doesn't handle as quickly as it once did. Garlic grows in soil, and soil sticks. Dirt, bacteria, and fungal spores cling to those outer layers. You don't see them, you don't taste them, but they're there. And the moment you peel, slice, or crush a clove, whatever was on the outside ends up on your cutting board, your knife, your hands, and finally inside your meal. For younger adults, this might not cause much trouble, but with age, the stomach lining becomes thinner, digestion grows more sensitive, and immune responses slow down. Even a small amount of contamination can trigger bloating or irritation that feels like just getting older. Over time, it can quietly weaken digestion. Certain molds on garlic can release compounds that stress an aging gut. Even when the clove looks perfectly fine, you won't notice them, but your body will. Before peeling, give each clove a quick rinse under running water. Just a few seconds. If you see dirt, rub it off gently. Then dry it with a paper towel so moisture doesn't interfere with cooking. A small habit that protects your gut and keeps garlic working for you instead of against you. Mistake number 2, pairing garlic with strong fermented foods or alcohol. Garlic is healthy. Fermented foods are healthy. A small drink before dinner feels normal. But together, especially for a sensitive digestive system, they can overwhelm the stomach lining. Garlic is rich in sulfur compounds. Fermented foods are packed with acids and active microbes. Combined, they can cause bloating, pressure, nausea, or burning heaviness long after the meal. The solution is simple. Enjoy both, but avoid combining raw garlic with strong fermented foods or alcohol in the same meal. Give your stomach one challenge at a time. Mistake number 3, eating raw garlic on an empty stomach. Raw garlic is powerful, sometimes too powerful when the stomach is empty. The same compounds that heal can irritate an unprotected stomach lining, especially as it becomes thinner with age. Raw garlic can trigger acid release, burning, cramping, or deep discomfort that lasts for hours. Pair garlic with food or switch to lightly cooked or aged garlic if your gut is sensitive. Mistake number 4, not letting garlic rest after chopping. Once garlic is chopped or crushed, it needs time to form a lichen, the compound responsible for its biggest benefits. Throwing it straight into heat stops that process. Chop first. Let it rest for about 10 minutes, then cook. That pause can make a noticeable difference in how garlic supports your body. Mistake number 5, storing garlic incorrectly. Garlic hates cold, damp air. Refrigeration causes sprouting and mold. Airtight containers trap moisture. Both reduce potency and increase irritation. Store garlic in a cool, dry, well-ventilated place. Use peeled cloves within a week and chopped garlic within a day. Mistake number 6, overcooking garlic or using high heat. High heat destroys garlic's active compounds. Burned garlic smells good, but offers no health benefits and is harder on digestion. Use low to medium heat and add garlic later in cooking. Warm it gently until fragrant, not brown. Mistake number 7, swallowing whole garlic cloves. Whole cloves don't release allicin and are hard to digest. They can cause discomfort and even pose a choking risk. Always crush or chop garlic so your body can actually use it. Mistake number 8, using pre-peeled or pre-minced garlic. Once garlic loses its skin, it loses protection. Pre-peeled and jarred garlic oxidize quickly and lose potency. Fresh garlic delivers real benefits. Convenience versions rarely. Do mistake number 9, using garlic inconsistently and expecting results. Garlic is not a one-time fix. Many people use it randomly. A clove today, nothing for a week, then a large amount all at once, and expect their body to respond immediately. But garlic works through steady support, not sudden overload. The compounds in garlic influence circulation, inflammation, immunity, and digestion over time. When intake is inconsistent, the body never gets the chance to adapt or benefit fully. Instead, sudden large doses can irritate the stomach, cause headaches, or create that heavy feeling people mistake for sensitivity. As we age, the body responds better to gentle, predictable patterns. A small amount of garlic used regularly works far better than large, irregular doses. Consistency allows the gut to adjust, enzymes to respond, and benefits to build without discomfort. The fix is simple. Use garlic in moderate amounts, but use it often. A clove added to meals a few times a week is enough. There's no need to force it or treat it like medicine. Let it support your body quietly and steadily. Mistake number 10. Assuming more garlic is always better. This is the mistake that causes the most trouble. Garlic is powerful, but more is not better. Large amounts can overwhelm digestion, thin the blood too much, irritate the stomach lining, and trigger reflux, dizziness, or fatigue. Many people increase their intake when they feel unwell, assuming extra garlic will speed up healing. But the body doesn't work that way. Too much garlic can stress the gut, interfere with medications, and create inflammation instead of reducing it. There's also tolerance to consider. Flooding the body with strong compounds can dull their effect over time. Instead of becoming stronger, garlic's impact becomes unpredictable. The right approach is balance. 1 to 2 cloves per day, prepared properly and paired with food, is enough for most people. If your digestion is sensitive, even less may be better. Garlic should support your body, not challenge it. Garlic isn't the problem. The way it's used is. When prepared and handled correctly, garlic can support circulation, digestion, immunity, and overall strength as the body changes with time. But small habits that seem harmless, can quietly cancel out those benefits or turn a healing food into a source of discomfort. The good news is this: you don't need more garlic. You don't need extreme routines. You don't need to force your body to tolerate something it's no longer comfortable with. All it takes is awareness, timing, and respect for how your body responds now. Wash it. Prepare it properly. Let it rest. Use gentle heat. Store it well. Pair it wisely. And most importantly, listen to your body. Garlic should feel supportive, not punishing. When used with intention, garlic stops being just a kitchen ingredient and becomes what it was always meant to be: a quiet, reliable ally for long-term health. And the next time you reach for a clove, you'll know exactly how to make it work for you, not against you.